Yo, what is up, guys? Let me give you guys a second to get on. Just give you a little bit of time here. Okay. Today we're gonna be setting up our tips VC. Where we're gonna be giving the user or you guys tips, coding tips. So it will be connected to Firebase, which I already have set up, and then yeah, so we'll be now done. I'm not going to be showing you guys Firebase because that's more of like a personal deal for a big project. But okay, on we have our second VC. We need to change the tip VC, good. And then let's create a new one, file. Cookie touch class, UI view controller. We're gonna name this web view. Okay, next. Create. Okay. So on the YouTube VC, you can just copy this stuff and then paste that on here, and we should be good there. Instead of a string right here, delete that. Well, I guess let's create the variable first. We're gonna say var web URL of type string. Sheesh. There we go. And then we're just going to throw that in here. Okay. Go back. A cool thing, because I'm building the real one on my own. That's what I called it. I'll pull it up. WebView, the UI WebView delegate class has a cool thing where you can see whether the web view is loading. So I'm not going to show it in this online because it's kind of complicated, or it takes a lot of time, not complicated. But you can actually show animating when the view is loading. Let's see what it's called. It is called view. If you call like the web view, so in our instance web view dot is loading, it'll give you a boolean on whether it is loading or it's not loading. Okay. Hey, I subbed and I'm part of the notification squad. Yo, sweet man. Or I guess sweet X Evo. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. XEEVO. Yo, sweet man. That's awesome. You got any questions? I could answer. We'll see. It's kind of delayed, so. But I think that's all we need. What's this error? Oh, did I not copy that? There we go. I've got 725 subs. Okay, sweet. Zevo. Okay. Nice. 725. Nice. So back over here, I mean, that storyboard. What app are you? So I'm making our community app right now. Basically, so people can learn how to code Swift easier than just going to YouTube. So I have more details on it. Quizzes, a chat bot, so it gives help on the coding part because I can't answer all the questions, but I wish I could. So that's what I'm making the bot. Web view. Oh yeah, we gotta drag on UI web view. UI web view. Alrighty. And I'm just going to copy this right here. 0, 0, 0, and then 0 again. Okay, that's perfect. And we'll just link that up. Okay, so that's all linked. That's good. What do we name this? The identifier should be a to-web view. Something like that. Something light. Now on our tip VC, we gotta throw in some code. What do we want to say? Yeah, so on here we need to import Firebase, of course. Then we gotta import Firebase database. I don't know if actually, let's see. Did I install that? Nah, I haven't. So I gotta go to the terminal, get that all set up. Have not installed pods yet. I hope you continue with your messaging app and social media apps. Alright, yes, I will continue with those. Social media apps kind of over. I'll probably be doing like some quick tutorials on that, or later on like a more advanced tutorial. And then messaging app, I just recorded the video today for Thursday, so we'll release that. I won't be on the video because my camera stopped working, but I got the audio and all that stuff, so it's good. Yeah, have a good one, my man. Zevo, yep. Pod. Firebase core, I think, right? Firebase / core. Something like that. Let's see if that works. Alright, yeah, that's it. Copy, paste. We got database, and then we got storage. So you see these lines, how it's like slanted? I do it straight and then it slants. That's what this warning down here is. So, just for future updates, so you guys know what's going on. Save that. Pod install. Already. Community app. Alright, let's say Shift Command K, Shift Command B, or yeah, you guys can ask me any questions if you guys want. UI collection view delegate. Just gotta wait for these files to compile, otherwise the amazingness of autocomplete doesn't work. UI collection view delegate, UI collection view data source. There we go. And then UI collection view delegate flow layout. Dun, 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 gotta get an IB outlet, of course. At IB outlet, weak var, collection view. Let's put type UI collection view, and then we're gonna have you have to have a number of sections. Turn 1. I'm just checking for comments. Got number of items in section. That's going to be, number of items. Sections. Wait a second. That's going to be return. What did we name the array? Tip. Tips dot count. Bar tip. Tips. Whoa. Okay. And no, tips. Let's just create that file tip in our model. New file. Touch class. UI. Oh wait, no, not touch, not cookie touch. This is a model, so new file. Swift class or Swift file. We're creating our own class. It's gonna be tip. Class tip, and let's import Firebase and import Firebase database. Okay, sweet. Yeah, you guys can ask me questions if you want. I mean, if you don't have any questions, that's cool. But, what do we want to do? So tip should be working. Oh, yeah. Not of type equals. UI view controller does not conform. Right, so we got what do we got? We have to have index path, so for item, index path, and let's enter. We're gonna say here return collection view cell at the moment. And then we're gonna finish out tip. Everything should be okay, so let's add in the collection view layout part. What was it called? Collection view layout, yeah. And there's we want to return the size of it, so CG size, and then we're gonna throw in here 120 temp 165. Alright, that's what I'm doing. Wait, did I do the wrong one? Collection view, collection layout for old layout from goodness, command X. that's not right. We need collection. Wait, which is size? Yeah, size 4 item. 4 item. No. Oh my goodness, how do I search this? Collection view, layout, collection. That's the only one. Nope, that's not the right one. Collection view, layout, size 4 item, index path. Please don't make me write out the whole entire thing. UI, I think that's the right class, right? UI, collection, view, oh, delegate right here. DL, yeah. Okay, that's what was wrong. Size 4 layout. This is the right one. Paste that in there, save that. Save that. Okay, now on tip, let's see how many variables we need. We're gonna need a variable for the image and a variable for the title on it. Let's make sure that's all right. So title, image, oh yeah, the URL for when they tap on it, then it takes them to the website. We need the URL, then of course we need the reference, and then the key. So, well, do we need the key? I don't think we need the key. No. Let's just say private var. We'll probably just get this done and then call the video done for or the live stream done for today. Unless you guys got questions, and then I can answer those because I love questions. Private var image URL type string private var web URL of type string. Okay, yeah, can you guys hear me? Yeah, you can hear me. Maybe it's kind of like quiet. Is that better? I hope it's better. I don't know. I'm kind of quiet right now. Maybe that's too loud. I have no clue. Hello, yeah. I don't think that's that bad. If it is, let me know. Quiet or too loud, who knows? I can't tell. Private var. Now what do we need? We need the reference to the reference to our data. So like someone just hit something. FIR database reference. Okay, let's create our getters. So var title of type string, turn title, var image URL type string, and we're gonna return it, and then var web. Oh, yeah, that's wrong. Web URL of type string. Okay. Return web URL. Got that one. And then we want to add an initializer in it. In here we're gonna have the title and title the image URL, type string, and then of course, sorry I have like the mic down here, so I have to shoot this up, otherwise I can't see my code. We also need a web URL. Of type string. Perfect. Yeah, you know, it's supposed to be like summer and stuff, but I live in Colorado and it decided to snow. So yeah, it's snowing outside in April, almost May. It's crazy. It's crazy. Title. We're gonna do you guys love coding? Because coding's the best. Yo, to all one person watching, do you love coding? Yo, let me know how long you've been coding in the comments, the live comments, or I don't know if they call it comments, but just let me know. Maybe I can help you out a little bit. I haven't been coding too long, but I do love coding, so I have gotten good at it because I love it. And I love helping out beginners because I once was a beginner. And it kind of stunk being a beginner, but once you like figure everything out, it's fun. Because you can just code, like when I'm not on camera trying to make sure everything's perfect, just code, go through the bugs, go through the crashes, and you just find all the fun stuff about coding. It's a trip for sure. Post key. Yeah, guys, when this thing's out, it's gonna be awesome. Oh, I did that wrong. Right. Nah. Did I call post? Oh, I didn't even put in that variable. This app is going to be lit with the bot, because then you guys can just go there and ask questions, pop up with the answer or like a link to the answer. But that'd be pretty cool, especially since as more and more people come to this channel, it's harder and harder for me to answer, especially with work and stuff like that. So it will be lit. Yo, let me know where you guys tune in from. Maybe it's snowing where you guys live too, because it sure is here. If let post if let title equal post data of title. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, this right here, title. So basically, the post data will be given to us from Firebase, and then it's looking through the data given to us with string and the object, and the string will be looking for title, and then it's going to return the value, so we can use the value for title. That's where the any object part comes in. Even though it's a string, you put in the object there, and then title will equal title. Okay, so it's returning the value, the any object value, and it's putting it into title, which is encapsulated so no one can change it besides right here when it's set. So it's an immutable property. I think that's what it's called. Something like that. Oh, what is that? How long have you been doing it? I assume you're talking about coding. I've been coding for about a year now. It's been fun. some people it takes them a lot longer. I don't know. I guess I picked up on it fast. I don't know. I really do enjoy coding, so maybe that's what it is. But yeah, not quite a year yet. I've learned a lot. I mean, I know like JavaScript, C Sharp, Java, Swift, Objective C, which I don't really like Objective C, but I know those. C Sharp, yeah. I made some pretty cool stuff, but I haven't made a lot of money, so I think that's where it all comes down to, how much money you're making. I mean, unless you're having fun, right? Because I love having fun. Yeah. We all like having fun, I'm sure. Tip image. Yo, how long have you been coding? That's a better question. How long have you been coding? I hope like if you just started, that'd be awesome. But if you're like super smart, smarter than me, man, I hope I bring you some value. Otherwise, it'd be sad. Yeah, do you guys like live streams? Let me know. I don't know. I think they're cool. I kind of enjoy them. Just like they feel like longer because they are actually longer, right? Like how long have we been going so far? I don't even know. I've been on for like 30 minutes. I mean, I guess that's reasonable. That's reasonable. But you guys used to see me make mistakes, and I can't edit them out. Which isn't a bad thing. I mean, everyone has to learn, because, I mean, coding is just about trial and error, really. Like, on my videos, it may seem like I know what I'm doing. I mean, I know what I'm doing, but I still make mistakes. Like, right now, I like, pre-coded this, and I'm just, like, double-checking. Otherwise, I just like use older work for stuff. There's no need in retyping this code, and I mean, like half of the stuff you get online anyways. You don't even have to know how to do it. I mean, I guess maybe for a job or something like that, but who needs a job? It only is a way to live, right? Money. Save that. Code. Yeah, someone was telling me about I don't know, like someone like works at like Windows or something like that. They like came out at one of their conventions or whatever, and they were yelling code, 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 or something like developers, 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 developers. I thought it was pretty funny. I didn't see the video, but if that's so true, then that'd be funny. Alright, so we got that done. Now let's create the file collection view cell. Why did I get in the subject? UI collection view. Alrighty then. Yeah, did you guys see my video when I did the way I did in the short clips? I thought it was pretty funny. I don't know. Did you guys think it was funny? It's not funny unless you guys think it's funny. So, unless you guys say, yeah, that's awesome, I probably won't be doing it too often, right? Why did that? You guys saw that. I was called tip cell. Create. Okay. Got 2 watching, guys. Yes. 2 watching. What? Yeah, how'd you guys, like, are y'all, like, subs? Is that how you guys find my channel? Like, my live stream? I hope you all subbed. If you're not subbed, please sub, because the channel's lit. We, like, make apps and stuff. Like, how many other people do that? Not that many. I mean, some people do it, but are they really as good as me? I don't know. Maybe not, but maybe. Yeah, so we got a couple variables here. Or IB outlets. We got our image, or we just call it image. Of type UI image. Okay, and then we got our IB outlet weak bar. This is gonna be our title. This would be a type UI label. Perfecto. And then we're just gonna have var tip of type tip. Okay. What we said? Helpful tutorial, thanks. Yeah, my man. I got you. I like helping people. It's pretty fun. I just like coding, so I mean, if I can help someone else out, why not do it, right? Wake from Nib. Yeah, like if you guys have any questions on what I'm doing, like if you understand it, then I don't need to explain it. But if you guys don't get it, be like, yo, what does this mean? I'll tell you guys. And if I don't know, I'll look it up. So, and I do know. Awake or super dot awake from Nib. So right here, super dot awake from Nib, we can like do the view stuff for our cell. So I'm gonna say layer. I don't have to say self dot layer because it already knows I'm talking about the UI view controller cell or collection view cell. So layer dot what was it, corner radius? Yeah, corner radius equals 10. That's my number. And then layer dot border width. So if you're a border color, right, and you set this to UI color dot what I do, white dot CG color, right, and you run that, it's not gonna work because you have to set the width. So layer dot border width, and we'll set this to 2. Perfecto. And then we got to call our function for configuring the cell. Okay. So func. Yeah, you guys think if I had music playing that this would be way more fun to watch? Because I think it might be more fun. Yeah, let me know in the comment section, because I think music would be more fun, but I still haven't gotten the parts for it. Because I have like the capture card and stuff, so I mean I could do it, but I wouldn't be able to hear it, so I wouldn't know what's playing, and it really wouldn't work because I wouldn't know how loud it is or anything like that either. So, yeah, we need self dot tip equals a tip. And we'll say self dot title dot text equals tip dot text or title. Yeah, and then we're gonna say let ref for reference equal f storage. We haven't imported Firebase. Import Firebase. Yeah, you guys like Firebase? I think it's pretty lit. Because it's just cool like that, right? I think so. Firebase storage, FIR storage, dot storage, dot reference, dot, let's see here. Yeah. You guys got questions? You got questions, comments, concerns? Just let me know. I respond. You guys are pretty cool. You're pretty much the coolest, you know. You know what I'm saying? You're like the coolest fans in the world. Pretty much the coolest people in the whole entire world. Right here in this live stream. So, I mean, you know what I'm saying, right? We pretty lit. Yeah. We a pretty lit group of people. Yeah, you guys play any good old video games? Like, I mean, we're programmers, right? Everyone plays video games. Every once in a while. Right? Because I do. People come and people go, but you're the real fan. Yeah, I feel like you've been watching this whole thing, man. Or woman, either one. I say man because it's like a general term. But yeah, you the real fan for watching. I don't know. What's your name? Like, you can just like leave a comment, and I'd be like, oh yeah, that's the best supporter of all time. Or you maybe just want to learn to code, huh? You're like, be quiet, Casey. I don't care. I just want to learn to code. So I forgot that. And it says, what's up? This is an image, a view. Otherwise, that wouldn't work. Sweet. So all that's working. Let's go name the storyboard and connect everything up, and then it'll be lit because I'll be working. We're not gonna run it because we don't have anything set up on this view controller. It's just going kind of sort of long. Unless you guys got questions, I mean, I'll answer them. Just ask away. But Casey, yo, answer this. I'll be like, okay, I got you. Any questions? Any questions? Tips? Oh, not the collection view. Collection view, so. Awesome. Image right there. Title right there. No questions. Alright. Well, then don't ask anything. Connect the collection view, otherwise it'll crash. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it, guys. For today, I forgot. I got to get my Google Services .plist or whatever from Firebase and put that in here, because I don't want to lose any of the confidential information. And I'll continue. I'll show you guys how it works next Saturday, I guess. Yeah, next Saturday. And then we will complete tipvc.swift. Should be a capital C, but I forgot. Pretty much got some stuff here we gotta work with, and I think we're pretty much done, guys. Pretty much done. Let's see here. Tip VC, right? So we gotta get the data, right? Then we gotta have prepare for segue because we need to prepare the data, and then we gotta have did select, and we're done. Like, it'll be lit. And then when someone taps on here, it'll segue them over here, and then it will upload the website there. This one is going to be our chatbot, and then this one down here is going to be our quizzes, which is actually kind of cool. I got that working, kinda, sort of. So we'll get that all done, and it will be lit. If you guys have any questions, let me know, because I'm about to end the live stream. Alright, no questions? No questions. Alright guys, peace out. Keep coding. I'll see you Thursday with my next messaging video, and I'll see you Saturday live. See you guys.